Maze Adventures! It's May from Maze Adventures. Oh, I feel like exploding with joy today. What else explodes on planet Earth? Yeah, it's a volcano! Oh wow, volcanoes are huge and mighty, and they explode all over the Earth and have been doing for millions of years. Many of them are dormant and extinct and don't explode anymore. But shall we make a new volcano that will explode right here today?
Yay!
Yeah, let's make an exploding volcano then. Yay! I'm in the forest where there is lots of mud and stones, so we can make our volcano. And I've got some supplies right here to make our volcano mix that will explode. So let's get started then. I'm going to make a volcano hill around this bottle and then put the stuff inside to explode. Let's get some muddy mud.
Yay!
Does this look like some good mud to make a volcano mountain out of? Yeah. Let's get lots of mud and mould it around this bottle. I'm getting lots and lots of mud because we need lots and lots to build a big volcano. Oh, wow, get stuck in. Yeah. Ah, muddy and messy. Whoa. Yeah. This is so much fun. Look at my muddy hands. Wow, look at this volcano mountain. Do you think it looks good?
Yay!
Do you think it looks like a volcano? Yeah. Pat it all down. Oh, it makes a sound. Like music. We can make music in nature. A nice solid volcano hill. Oh wow. Let's take a closer look. Haha. Wow, look at that volcano hill.
Whoa!
Ooh. Ooh. Ha! What shall we add now? What about rocks? Because volcano mountains are very rocky, where can I get some rocks? Behind me? Oh yes! There is lots and lots of rocks here. Let's use them then. Oh yeah, let's put rocks around the volcano mountain. Oh. Let's get some more. Oh, oh. Big heavy rocks. That is one awesome volcano mountain. Yeah! And what do we need to do now? Well, we need to make something to put in the volcano to explode. Let's do that then.
Yay!
So now we've made the mould for the volcano mountain around this bottle. Let's take the bottle out. And there's a bottle-shaped hole. And then we can put our mix in the bottle. Let's do it then. So first, in our bottle, we need some vinegar. We put a lot of vinegar in the bottle. In it goes. Ooh. We need a lot of vinegar in the bottle. A whole cupful. So a little bit more. There, I think that will be enough. Next, some water. Just a little bit of water. Maybe a bit more. A squidge of washing dish soap. Ooh, does it look like a nice drink? No, I wouldn't like to drink that, but it looks like a good volcano mix to explode. And now, the key ingredient, baking powder or bicarbonate of soda. But this is what will make it explode. So we need to put this back in our volcano before we put this in and watch it explode.
Yay!
Let's go then. Put it back in our mountain. There we go. Now, let's get a closer look so we can see it explode. Now then, we need our bicarbonate of soda or baking powder and put it in the volcano and watch it explode. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go then. Wow, look at it exploding. Look at that. It's running like lava all down the mountain. And this is white lava. If you wanted a different colour, red, orange, blue or green, then you could add food colouring or paint. Oh, the explosion is slowing down. But I want it to explode more. What can we do? Let's put more baking powder in.
Yay!
And then it will explode more. Ha! And put a little bit more vinegar in too. It's exploding again! Wow! Wow! It was so much fun to make my own volcano. A little teeny weeny miniature version of the many volcanoes we have on this earth. It's amazing to see how a volcano can explode. And so much fun to make and watch. Did you enjoy watching it?
Yay!
Yeah? Would you like to make your own volcano explode? Yeah! Go go and do it then. Thanks for joining me on my adventure, on my volcano explosion adventure. I'll see you for more adventures soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.